Hello YouTube again. This is Kino the Barber. You already know me, right? I guess. Anyways, um, this is the Nano Mist Sprayer from KinoTheBarber.com. Comes in the small little box. Um, these I got them on my website. You can find them there on KinoTheBarber.com. I'm gonna leave a link on the description so you can check it out. But a lot of people are asking me, what is this for? Is it hot? Is it cold? It's not hot. It's not cold. I call it like room temperature because it's comfortable. And the the thing I do with this is I use it for like when I'm doing shaving, I recline the client under the chin when I'm cutting when I'm shaving under the chin. I put a towel under and then I place the steamer, the mist, on the towel so it will not move. I turn it on, the mist will go and hit his chin, making it easy for me to shave because the skin stay moisturized and wet. It's the same thing. But anyways, it stays wet, meaning that let's say some shaving creams are I don't know, they got maybe they got like a little bit of alcohol or something because they dry up so quick. So with this, it keeps the skin moisturized. So it's easier for you to shave. It's not gonna hurt the skin. It's not gonna do any harm or give them any bumps or ingrown hair because the skin is gonna be so smooth. So, and I also use it for aftershave. I put half half aftershave and half water. Shake it, and you could just put it on under skin. Because some people hate when you spray it. It comes with a USB charger. Oh my god. The manual, instructions, and this is the small nano mist, whatever you want to call it. That's where you charge it. Charge it there, and I'm thinking, let's see. So yeah, turns red. When it's charged up, it turns blue. So how you use it? Twist it, pop it out, put the water in here or the aftershave. I'm gonna get some water, a little bit of water so you can see how it works. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. And if you notice, it has a small, I don't know, lock, if you want to call it. Let me See if you can see it, hopefully. Anyways, watch this. See how it locks in place? Right there. Right there. See? Now that's locked. And you flip it around. When it's all the way charged, that's when you're gonna see more mist. But right now it needs to be charged. But that's how you use the nano mist. You can find yours at KenoTheBarber.com. Jesus Christ. Don't get dirty on me. There you have it. Thank you.